In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix your mic in Fortnite. Okay, for the first step, what we can do is go into the search bar and here we look for the settings. And then the settings go all the way to the left here on system and then on sound. So, and for this, it is really important that we have like here the input. And here on the input, we have to select our microphone and then here make sure that you have volume on your microphone. So this is really, really important. So yeah, this is the first thing we can do. And yeah, if nothing helps in this tutorial, and we can also try to go on the volume mixer here, and then here we can reset all of these sound settings we have on our PC. So sometimes this also helps, but I will show you yeah, settings which you can do in Fortnite. So and here in Fortnite, what we can also do is make sure that you here have also sound. So and then go into Fortnite, go on the top right corner here in your profile, and then go into the settings. So and then we have like here video settings, and here we have sound settings. So and here we have like the volume and something voice chat. And yeah, what we have to do here on sound quality, make it high so you don't have to turn on 3D headphones or something. And yeah, here we have the output. So this is our headset, and yeah, this is not so important. So then we have like here communication, and this is the most important setting here. And here make sure that you have the open mic. If you don't have the open mic, then you have push to talk, and then you maybe have to press a button before you can talk. So try to do an open mic. So then here your input device is your microphone, and here make sure that you select the right microphone you have. So this is really important. Okay, and yeah, this is really important here. So and yeah, if you have like push to talk, you can also go here on keyboard and controls, and then you can scroll down here to communication, and here we have like push to talk, and this is the button you have to press here. So this could also be really helpful. So and then we can go back here, and then I click on don't save right now, and then it's really important that when you go here on the top right corner, then we have like the party chat or the game chat, and here it's really important that you have or you don't muted your microphone. So this is really important. Make sure that it looks like this. And yeah, it is also important that you have a switch between the party chat or the game chat. So this could also be really helpful. So and yeah, and here we can also adjust the voice method, and then we can get to the settings here. And yeah, this is all you have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will find a solution, and then see you next time.